welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a work in progress. I've been working on this for a while, off and on. It is a Homer Simpson pattern. I got this from Etsy. It's for my son, my oldest son. It's supposed to be a single crochet pattern, but I turned it into a corner to corner pattern. I wrote it out all myself, and I decided to do that because I feel more comfortable doing a corner to corner picture. I think it's turned out pretty good so far. So in this video you'll see me do a few rows of this. So I've been inspired with starting this channel to finish off some works that I've been meaning to do. So yeah, so each week I'll be doing some, and so I hope you come along and see how it turns out. I'm very inspired to continue on. So I hope you come and join me on this new adventure. I'm finishing off my son's blanket. I'll be doing other cross stitches, other crochets with the Simpsons as well. So Homer's just the first. I've got others to do to put together for his blanket. So yeah, so come along, give me a like if you'd like to see what I'm doing. Subscribe if you want to continue seeing what I'm doing, and I'll be happy to see you. So thank you for joining me today, and I'll hopefully see you next week.